So what is a semitone? In this set of videos, I'll be trying to use the stuff to explain as many concepts as possible, because that makes it easy for you to especially be aware of where things are. And then so that it will translate quite easily when we begin to transfer the information to maybe some practical instrument or the voice or something like that. Right? So what's a semitone? Basic thing. I need for you to always remember concepts. It's the key to building a thorough understanding of musical theory. So semitone is, first of all, an interval. Remember, a semitone is not a note. This is an important statement. Always keep that in mind. It's an interval. That means it's between two notes. Right? Now, a semitone, classical definition, the smallest interval in tonal music. I make this point because, post-tonality, there have come many subtonal intervals like microtones and quarter tones and stuff like that. But this semitone in common practice era, that's the smallest interval we find. It is called a semitone because it's half a tone, right? Semi or semi is half, and tone is, tone, musical tone, right? So where the tone implies a distance as well. So take note again that as far as intervals go, tone is also an interval. So the word tone has several applied meanings, right? It can mean a sound, and it can mean a certain distance between pitches, right? So a tone as an interval, the semitone will be half of that. Let's get on to the stuff. If I move between the note C, this is a little C, and D, I have moved a tone. Let me explain a semitone, and then that will feed into this information. I move an octave above, this is a C. A note right above that, right, in common practice music, the note right adjacent to that, moving upward, is C sharp. And the note just below that is a D. This is a semitone above the C. And this is a semitone below the C. So going with C as a reference point, this is a semitone above it, and this is a semitone below it. That means if I move from B to C sharp, this is a tone. Is this clear? This applies to many things. Let me explain one other thing. B to C in itself is a semitone. And then B flat to B is also a semitone. But these are not the same type of semitone. Why do I say so? The B flat is a black key on the keyboard, the B is a white key, and the C is a white key. So take note of these, we'll be coming to that in a second. There's a difference between diatonic semitone and chromatic semitone. What's the difference?